That's what you're seeing there in Boston. It's some low clouds in place with a batch of showers moving through. We're not seeing anything heavy, so that's one thing working in our favor. And I do expect we'll see more dry times as we travel through the afternoon. And as you look at the week ahead, this is the day that we get the rain, and we could use some rain, although I know the timing isn't the best. I know so many of us are off today for the holiday. Rain chances are looking very low for the week ahead, though, and it's a very dry trend that we're settling into. That said, if you are looking to check out the foliage, as we are seeing some beautiful color out there, we have a great week ahead for that, as we will see some blue skies breaking through by tomorrow. If you head your way north, of course, there will be less traffic as you travel during the week here. We're seeing peak color now extending through the lakes region, and that's also extending toward the coastline of Maine. Notice as you move here in Massachusetts, we're starting to see color taking shape even as you travel through portions of southeastern Massachusetts, really away from the immediate coastline. So many of us starting to see some progress here as far as the color. We have cool conditions out there, low pressure overhead, circulating some of that cool air, but also, of course, bringing in some of the showers that we've been tracking. Let's focus in. We had some thunderstorms earlier over Cape Cod and the South Coast, producing some small hail earlier today. Not seeing thunderstorms at this moment in the area, but you can see how there's still a few showers to track. So moving from Boston northward, the focus of showers right now from Boston, moving through Metro West and then extending up through the North Shore, just barely clipping the New Hampshire seacoast as it continues to push east. Another little area of showers from Keene, New Hampshire through Orange will continue to bring a few drops along portions of Route 2. Let's take it down to southeastern Massachusetts. This is a spot that did have some thunderstorms earlier. Now it's just spot hit or miss showers extending through much of Cape Cod down toward the South Coast. There's a few lulls in between. You can see that's the case right now along 24. And so we will see more breaks in between the showers as we travel through the next couple of hours this afternoon. We're so cool out there. We're in the 40s as you move from Bedford out toward Worcester northwest. Boston at 50, upper 50s, low 60s down toward Cape Cod. Doesn't get much warmer today. Those clouds are stubborn, but you can see how there's a hint of some late day sun as we make our way toward the mid to upper 50s in Boston, low 60s to the south, low 50s to the northwest, where cool spots like Keene could stay in the 40s today. Let's time out those showers, and through the next hour, I expect we will see more of the showers dissipating that we currently have on the radar. We should see a nice little lull here for the early afternoon, the late afternoon, another push of showers, but you can see how it's more isolated in nature, so it's not looking like a wall of rain. We will see some dry breaks and some slivers of sun in between before sunset and before we clear out. The wind picks up as we start to dry out today, so that will make temperatures in the 30s tonight feel like it's down below freezing in spots, down to as low as 27 in Worcester. But with these clear skies, a heads up, you might want to look up to the sky, in particular the western sky. A comet is expected to pass through about an hour after sunset and will be visible